Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making a rice salad. You will for sure not regret making this decision. We start off by boiling our rice, and guys, don't forget to put in some salt. As I boil the rice, I will also throw in my 2 eggs to boil as well, as this saves on time and gas. My rice is ready. As you can see, it is fluffy, so I will let it cool down. Next, I will boil my chicken, peas and carrots for 5 minutes and set aside as well to cool. So here are my chicken peas. So next we prepare the rest of our ingredients, and we start by cutting a small onion into small sizes. Then we chop 2 cloves of garlic, 1 red bell pepper, lettuce and a few strips of bacon. When we are done, we can heat olive oil in a hot pan and fry our bacon, bell peppers, onion and our 2 cloves of garlic, and then we can season with salt and pepper. When it's ready, cool it down so that we get ready to assemble our rice salad. So now guys, let's assemble our rice salad, and we start by putting the chopped lettuce in a bowl. Then we put in our boiled chicken, peas and carrots, our fluffy rice. Wow, this looks already very yummy. Next, we put in our fried onion mixture, and we mix that up. So guys, you remember the 2 eggs that we boiled earlier in this video? We are going to take the eggs, peel them and put them in our rice salad. We can choose either to chop them into small pieces or big pieces. It all depends on preference. We can also choose to boil our eggs hard or runny. So guys, I'm going to make the dressing for this salad, and all we need are just 2 ingredients: tomato ketchup and garlic sauce. Mix that up and pour that over your rice salad, and voila, we are ready. Thank you guys for taking your time to watch this video and all of my videos. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Till next time, bye. Tschüss.